Hi, I'm Josh Cable in the Counterman Education Center. For the past decade or so, the auto industry has been shifting from hydraulic power steering to electric power steering, also known as electric power assisted steering, or EPAS. Considering all the benefits, it's easy to see why. Electric power steering not only reduces the effort required to steer a vehicle, but it also makes the vehicle lighter. It contributes to better fuel economy, it's more energy efficient, and it's easier to install. In an electric power steering system, an electric motor is either bolted to the steering column or the steering rack. The system has a torque sensor that measures the amount of force applied to the steering wheel, and that sends a signal to the power steering control module. Meanwhile, the control module is getting vehicle speed information from the CAN bus network, and it's taking these inputs into consideration to determine just how much assist to provide to the driver. That's an oversimplification, but the bottom line is electric power systems are more than a rack and motor. They're sophisticated, highly connected systems, and they can be very expensive to replace. Many of these systems aren't field serviceable, so they're usually replaced as a unit. As a parts pro, you have the option to recommend a remanufactured EPAS unit. The obvious benefit is the price. You could save your customer up to 20% on a replacement electric power steering system if you go with a reman unit. If you recommend a system from a leading remanufacturer, you can be confident that the unit has been fully disassembled and inspected, and all electronic modules have been 100% tested for input-output parameters to specific diagnostic trouble codes. Also, a leading remanufacturer will replace all serviceable seals, bellows, boots, clamps, and belts with OE quality components. A few final thoughts. If you're selling a reman electric power steering system and there are notes in your catalog, make sure you read those notes to the technician so they're aware of any calibration, programming, or relearn procedures that are required to complete the repair properly. And as far as add-on sales opportunities, be sure to remind the tech that they should be using dielectric grease on the connections. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.